Welcome to The Wrap. I'm JD Durkin here to take you through this week's market action. Geopolitical tensions between Israel and Iran on Friday swung markets into the red. The S&P 500 shed 0.4%, while the Nasdaq lost 0.6. The Dow 30 closed 1.33% lower, while the small caps in the Russell were down 1.5%. Turn our attention now to the S&P sectors. Financials closed out as the biggest laggard of the session, closing down 2.6%. The heavy-weighted tech sector ended near the flat line. Energy, however, by far the leader of the sectors this week, rallying close to 6%. On to key stock moves we're following for you. Apple kicked off a headline-filled week with its Worldwide Developers Conference Monday that largely underwhelmed investors. The company did not present on Series AI upgrade, but it did launch its latest software in iOS 26 beta and said Apple intelligence models are coming for developers. The company also added it will open access for apps to use its LLM model. On Friday, Bloomberg reported that Apple is targeting a spring 2026 release for Siri AI. The big tech giant closed as the biggest Mag 7 laggard this week, finishing down 3.7%. Scale AI and other news confirmed Meta Platforms' investment in the startup, valuing Scale AI at over $29 billion. The partnership aims to accelerate Meta's AI developments. Scale CEO Alexander Wang released a statement saying Meta's investment, quote, reaffirms that our path forward, like that of AI, is limitless. Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg also recruited Wang for his so-called super intelligence group. Shares of Meta finished the week 2% lower. The biggest earnings mover came from Oracle, up almost 24% this week after guiding 40% cloud revenue growth for fiscal 2026. The company's previous quarter cloud revenue saw 14% growth. Analysts across the board raised price targets on the stock, with some calling out its strong positioning to capitalize on cloud and AI trends. Shares of Oracle hit new all-time highs on Friday. We're nearing the end of earnings season with a lighter slate on tap for next week. Darden Restaurants, Kroger, CarMax, and Lennar are all set to report. Investors eagerly await the Fed's interest rate decision expected at 2 p.m. Eastern on Wednesday. And of course, we'll also get data on retail sales and initial jobless claims. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm JD Durkin. Remember to tune in 24/7 to SchwabNetwork.com.